Hey, what's up guys, it's Theo from Final Concept. So if you've been using Adobe Premiere Pro, you may have realized that syncing up audio one after the other is really hectic. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how I'm able to sync up 4-5 audio files at the same time. Well, let's just get started. Welcome to Final Concept. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Alright, so here I am in Adobe Premiere Pro, and in case your interface looks different, don't worry, everything is going to look or work out the same. So I have 3 folders here, but in the audio folder I have a separate folder. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open up my main video and I'm just going to click and drag it onto the timeline like so. Now we are going to just merge up all the audio that we have in here because this is one long clip. Let me close the main, and I'm also going to add in some inserts. Well, basically these are more or less like B-roll shots of the actual event. So under normal circumstance, I'll just click and drag and just click and drag this also. If you want to sync up these two audios, it is actually impossible because if you select 3 files and you right click, you don't get that synchronize option, unless of course it is 2 at a time. Then you can just sync them up like so. So every single time, this is what you have to do, one after the other, one after the other, one after the other. So you see, now the audio is synced up, and in my case, this is what I always do. I'll just grab the eraser tool and I'll just cut from here and put this on one side. Then I'll sync this one up as well. But I realize that this is quite of a long process, so I don't use it anymore. Now this is what I do. Let me bring up my audio files. So this is the audio we record using the Tascam microphone, and I'll click and drag that onto a separate timeline on the audio files like so. Then I'm just going to add in another audio track. Then I'll drop in the other one. It should also be here. Let me edit that one or exit that one. And I'll go into the audio files. We have the audio from the Rode microphone, and I'll place that also on a separate timeline like so. Then if I close these two up, you realize that for the inserts, we have different audios coming in. So what I usually do is I'm also going to add in as many tracks as possible. So as much as you can add in. You don't even have to, oops. Pardon me for that. You don't even have to make it longer. You can just double click on this part and it's just going to extend for you, but that way you wouldn't be able to access your project files. So I just like doing it this way for now. So what I'll do is let's just keep adding in about 10. I'll click and drag to the top. I think something like this is okay. So I'll bring this up and bring this down so that they are on 2 separate audio timelines, and I'll do the exact same for the third one. So the third one is also going to look something like this. Let me click and drag to the top so that I can see what I'm doing. Then I'll bring in the 4th clip, so something like this, the 5th clip, something like that, and the 6th clip, something like this. So basically what I'm doing is I'm just putting them on different audio timelines so that I can get that option when you are trying to sync them up. You can get the synchronize option active. So once I have this, let me just put this for this. Let me just put this aside for now. So once I have this, I'll just select all of these, right click and go to synchronize. Since they are all on different timelines, I'll be able to sync them up. And I'll select audio track 1, which is the main audio, and I'll click on OK and just wait for this to finish up. So as you can see, it's processing 9 different files, and this is what we get. And as you can see, this is a lot better than doing them one after the other. So on the next step, I'll just do the exact same thing. This will be on the 1st, this will be on the 2nd, this will be on the 3rd, and I'll scroll down, probably on the 4th, right around when I feel that I have filled up this area, and I'll just highlight all of them. Right click, go to synchronize and just click on OK. Now there are several applications which allows you to sync everything up. I have been using an app called Plural Eyes. Thanks to Paul Duce for introducing me to that, and it's making my work a lot easier. But in case you don't have the money to purchase that app, then this is one of the ways you can go about it. So basically that is it. This is the simple trick I can put across. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like to watch more of our videos, hit the subscribe button, and as always, don't forget to share with your family and friends. This is Theo from Final Concept, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.